XRP won a big battle recently, and somehow a price boom surged in the crypto market, impacting cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins. ADA took a beating from the SEC last month, and now the regulator's argument against ADA is substantially weakened by the XRP's win. This is why Cardano is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies recently, alongside other cryptos labeled as securities by the SEC, like Solana and Polygon. Things are looking very bullish for Cardano right now, so are investors headed to have millions on their tables? A few days ago, the Cardano founder's statement about Cardano getting real adoption and the TVL experiencing 148% growth was reposted on Reddit, and there was many reactions and comments. Cardano will still be around when many said favorites disappear, a user purpose-built 2 commented. There's enough room for all of us. Nothing is wrong with healthy competition and comparison to get better results in the industry, thus pushing innovation. I think that's just how it's said and done. It shouldn't come from the intention of just being better than everyone, but rather from the betterment of innovation and pushing boundaries in the industry. Another user, Skidza, commented. The Cardano ecosystem definitely has a lot of fans, but they might not stay for too long if it fails to deliver on all its promises. Recently, ADA saw a massive price boom as hopes were revived of Cardano being exempt from the SEC's regulatory threats as a result of Ripple's victory. As a result, various speculations were set in stone for the ADA coin price. And when we talk about predictions of millions for Cardano, it's always termed outrageous. But this is the crypto market, and anything can happen, right? Well, let's take you back to what the crypto influencer said a few months ago about ADA investors becoming millionaires. In a video, Ben Armstrong, otherwise called BitBoy, discussed the potential of Cardano to make investors millionaires. Armstrong underscored the significance of ADA's current price and its potential for exponential growth in the next bull run. He acknowledged at the beginning of his analysis that ADA was hovering around $1 for an extended period, even during the bear market. But he pointed out that once crypto prices started heating up, any bag of ADA can be worth a significant amount. Also, we are aware of the fact that ADA's all-time high is just $3. However, Armstrong estimated that accumulating just over 300,000 units of the ADA token would make someone a Cardano millionaire. BitBoy Crypto openly discussed his Cardano holdings and bullishness on the project and expressed his belief that ADA's price would surge even higher, making the millionaire milestone more conceivable. He expected ADA to surpass $3 during the next bull run, driven by factors such as increasing interest in emerging economies and the upcoming Hydra upgrade. He tweeted, "How much Cardano, or its token ADA, do you need to become a millionaire in the next bull run? Today I'm going to do some moon math to figure out what it's going to take to achieve those millionaire dreams." BitBoy did not leave us in the dark as he presented 3 scenarios for ADA's future price. In the first scenario, where ADA's market cap reaches $175 billion, a good run-up in the crypto bull market, ADA's price could surpass $5. In this case, owning 200,000 ADA would equate to $1 million at the current price. Well, that won't be the case at its current price right now. It is going to be slightly $1 million. Furthermore, in the second scenario, if Cardano manages to triple its previous market cap, ADA priced at $8 would result in a $280 billion market cap, and becoming a millionaire would require around 125,000 ADA. The third scenario involved ADA going parabolic and threatening Ethereum's market cap. If it manages to do this, then a $10 price mark is possible with a market cap surpassing $350 billion. Which means owning 100,000 ADA would be enough to achieve $1 million, requiring a current investment of approximately $40,000. BitBoy further highlighted the potential of ADA's staking rewards, hammering that even smaller investments could yield substantial gains. For instance, staking 10,000 ADA, costing around $4,000, would be worth $100,000 if ADA's price reached $10 during the bull market. However, when you turn to the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, for a proper prediction, it's a different story. Hoskinson is most thrilled with exploring the utility and future possibilities of Cardano, but many investors are impatient. Seeing various coins exploding in price regularly, they have hopes that they will see the same happen to ADA tokens that they hold, regardless of the amount. A user once asked Hoskinson about the Cardano price, specifically about how Solana had just surpassed Cardano in market cap. This was not a question that seemed to please the founder, as he explained his belief that the way the crypto market was setting value seemed off. Perhaps accumulating millions in ADA is not Charles Hoskinson's definition of prosperity. It was observed that after a wild 2021 for the crypto markets, Charles Hoskinson remarked that he was a billionaire. When asked what it's like to be a billionaire, he replied that he first scratched the surface of that status in the 2017 crypto bull market. It took me 3 years from when I started my first cryptocurrency company to become a millionaire, and I was first a billionaire in 2017. Very briefly. Markets collapsed and everything went to hell, but I was doing okay, and I became a billionaire again in 2021, he said. Charles Hoskinson also noted that the magnitude of the crypto's innovation prevents markets from staying stable and sorting out winning investments from busts. He explained that just like the internet in previous decades, it would take time before industry-leading projects emerge with stability. He said, "Welcome to crypto. That's how crypto works. It goes way up, it goes way down. You guys can't get 900% gains without experiencing some pullbacks. That's how the world works. Crypto is very volatile, it's very unstable, and as a consequence, understand that it is a frontier market. And the point here is that we're reconstructing society, and we all know that by doing that, there are trillions, if not tens of trillions of dollars of collective value in the activity. But where does that value go? Markets have a hard time pricing innovation, and they have a hard time picking proper winners and losers. And there tends to be over-enthusiasm and over-justification for all kinds of things. And then there's a pullback, and there's cycles and waves, and then people get overly pessimistic, and they throw the baby out with the bathwater, just like they did with the dot-com boom and bust. At some point, we converge to something. Nonetheless, it has been news a few times already, so having said all that, yes, it's still very possible to become a millionaire with Cardano. Of course, according to Ben Armstrong's analysis and market conditions, you'll need several $1,000s, several catalysts, and many factors working in your favor, and the ability to go through the roller coaster that is, of course, the crypto market. Cardano has proven to be one of the most active and busiest digital assets in the crypto world in the past years. With that, it is wise to say that ADA is one investment option that is worth considering. Many experts in fact predict Cardano to have a bright future. Recently, Peter Nierop, an associate of the Cardano's fan staking pool, took to Twitter to explain why ADA should be embraced by every crypto investor. His highly informative thread sought to draw more attention to Cardano as he projected ADA as a profitable asset. Nierop noted that Cardano, founded by Charles Hoskinson in 2017, is a third-generation blockchain, explaining that it was designed to be more sustainable, scalable, and interoperable compared to Bitcoin and the Ethereum blockchains. He further stressed that the proof-of-stake network is the first blockchain built through evidence-based methods and peer-reviewed research. Then, touting Cardano's less energy-intensive, secure, and highly scalable consensus algorithm dubbed Ouroboros, the network has been efficient in several ways. Plus, the Cardano blockchain was among the few that enabled developers to create decentralized applications as it has smart contract functionalities, and the fact that Cardano has a large community of active members is a big wow. According to Nierop, the community is the bedrock of every successful crypto project. To further highlight the strengths of ADA, he revealed that Cardano's use cases transcend various sectors in the real world. With the rising SEC attacks on several crypto assets, Nierop implied that investing in regulatory compliant crypto assets is very important. He added, Cardano is designed to allow for soft forks and upgrades, making it adaptable to changing regulatory environments. Despite noting that Cardano's strong fundamentals and potential for growth could lead to high returns for investors, Nierop urged market participants to conduct proper research before investing in ADA. A zeal to have millions is just not enough. It's the crypto market after all, and volatility rules here. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.